Alright, hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your interactive math journals. What you'll need is a composition notebook or a spiral notebook. Either one does not matter to me as long as you know this is your IMJ. You must keep up with this. You must use it along with the videos to take notes, and then you must bring it to class with you every day to help you with the activities in class. This is your lifeline. Everything you need will be in here. If you ever have questions or need to reference something, especially when you're at home, so I'm not with you at home unless it's on the video, this is where you can find the information. Alright, so this is once again called your Interactive Math Journal. You will hear me call it IMJ for short. All I'm doing is taking the first letter from each word, IMJ. So this is your IMJ. So if you ever hear me say IMJ, what are you talking about? I'm talking about your math journal or notebook. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your journal, and you're going to see right here at the very top of the page, you should have nothing on this side, and then you should start a page. At the very top, you're going to write table of contents. I will model this with you. So I'm getting a marker, and I'm going to write table of contents. Notice I did not put a page number. I have not done anything else except write table of contents. The next thing you're going to do is, you can kind of see that in your notebook, you'll have a little red line. Even if you have a spiral notebook, you'll see that it also has that little red line. You can use that as a reference. What you're going to do is you're going to take your pen, pencil, marker, whatever you're using, and you're going to follow that line. And I will lift up my notebook as soon as I'm finished to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So all I did is draw a line down that side of the page. If you want, you can put a line underneath where it says table of contents to separate your title from your list of topics. That's fine too. So we pretty much have our first page done. Now, for an example, your topics are going to go on this side of your notebook. The page is not the page number. So we're not saying 1, 2, 3. We're not going to number it like that. The numbering is going to come from the topic. So right now you don't have any topics written down, so you're on page 0. But the first topic we're going to cover in 5th grade is place value. So you can already go ahead and write that down. I will model it for you. I'm going to use a different color marker. I'm going to put place value, P-L-A-C-E, value is V-A-L-U-E, and then I'm going to put a 1 over there on that number. And in fact, you can put number. You don't want to put page number, just put that number sign so you know I'm not talking about pages, I'm talking about topic number. So I have table of contents, my number sign, and then place value is the very first topic you're going to cover in 5th grade. And I put a 1 right there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to skip the first 2 pages. So in my journal, I'm going to go 1 and then 2. So now I have 2 loose sheets of paper right here. And I'm starting, as you can see, I do not see that marker bleeding through. I'm on 2 fresh sheets of paper. What I want you to do is I want you to use the left and the right side of your notebook. So as we go through topics, as you go through the day, I don't want you to skip. Keep it organized, and we're going to use both sides. So what you're going to do is and if you need to go back and reference, we have place value as topic 1. You're going to write place value. You can do place value and write it again, place value, but make sure you understand that these 2 pages right here are for place value. Let me model that. I wrote it in blue on that page, so I'm going to write it in blue over here. So I've written place value on both sides, and I've also, this is where that number comes in handy, I'm going to put a number 1 on both sides of that paper. So I have a 1 here, and I also have a 1 here. So let me know I am on topic 1. Again, if you want to underline underneath your topic, that's fine. If you don't, that's also okay. But now we have topic 1. Now I'm going to explain what happens if, like for example, for place value, we're going to talk about whole number place value along with decimal place value. So let's just say by the time we get to decimal place value, we're still over here. Well, guess what? That is still topic 1. That's still place value. So again, you would write place value. In fact, you might, on this one, you might only need this side of the page. So if you see that we are still on the same topic, once we've passed the first 2 pages, then you're going to still put a number 1 in that corner, and we're still on place value. Now, if you're really organized and you just don't know if you're going to need that page, okay, you don't have to write place value here. But when we begin a topic, I promise you, you will use both sides of the page. So that's why I want place value on both sides. So it's like one big sheet of paper. But if we have to go on from there, then you can just take your time and see if page 1 is going to continue over here. And I'm going to use the notebook and model it with you as we go. So if you became confused, don't worry about it. I will go step by step with you. I will not get you lost. I just wanted you to get the initial setup before we start. So reviewing. Interactive math journal, which I will not say all those words. I will just say IMJ. This is your IMJ. You open it up, I should see your table of contents. Your topics will go right here. The number of that topic will go here. You should have skipped, that would be the first page that has it. Skipped another page, and we began with our first topic, which is place value, and that is our topic 1. If we go on to place value from here, we will continue number 1, but hey, if we only needed these 2 sheets of paper for topic 1, you will have the next topic name, and you will have now a number 2. Same thing here, it will be the next topic with number 2. Any questions, write them down, and we will discuss them in class tomorrow. See you tomorrow, boys and girls.